Once, a man named Andrew, who was very intelligent. He visited the village school once a week. He taught the students religion and morality. One day, on his way to school, he bought a box of sweets. Andrew reached the school and began teaching the students. It so happened that Andrew had to go out for some important work at that time. So he put the box of sweets on a high shelf in his room. He said to the students sitting in the room,
"Now listen to me carefully. There is poison in the sweets in this box. So please do not eat sweets."
Saying this, Andrew left the room. Andrew's nephew was also present in that room. He said to his friends,
"Let's eat the sweets. There is no poison in it. My uncle doesn't want us to eat the sweets. And so he has tried to frighten us by saying that there is poison in them."
All the students agreed with Andrew's nephew. One of the tall and strong boys stood under the shelf. Another boy climbed on his shoulders. They reached the shelf and took the box of sweets. In a few minutes, the box was empty. After eating the sweets, Andrew's nephew picked up Andrew's knife lying on the table and broke it. After some time, Andrew returned to his room. He saw the broken knife, and he was angry. He shouted,
"Who broke my knife?"
Suddenly, he looked up at the shelf and found the box of sweets missing. Furious, Andrew screamed,
"Who has eaten these sweets?"
All the students pointed at his nephew. Andrew's nephew started sobbing loudly and said in a broken voice,
"I wanted to sharpen the broken point of my pencil. So, I took your knife. As I was sharpening the pencil, the knife fell down, and the blade broke. I was sure that you would be angry with me and would break my bones because of this offense. I was so scared that I decided to commit suicide by eating the poisonous sweets. I ate some, but there was no effect of the poison. So, at last, I ate all the sweets in the box. But I am surprised that I am still alive."
Hearing his nephew's explanation, Andrew burst into laughter. He said,
"My dear nephew, you are a match for your uncle. Till today, I was under the impression that there was no one as clever and witty as I. But I am pleased with your ready wit. I pardon you for your offense.